Hello family, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Angela and this channel is all about beauty, fashion, and life, and particularly for the woman over 40, not today's video though. But if you're under 40, there are always gems that you can get and they'll be helpful to you as well. In today's video, I'm gonna show you,
I got these here shoes.
Okay. In today's video, I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna unbox 3 pairs of shoes. Okay. In today's video, I'm gonna unbox and show you 3 pairs of shoes I recently purchased from Choo, and I'm gonna tell you why I chose or why I purchased each pair of these shoes. Now, if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. Now, let's get started. So the first pair of shoes, you might have seen in a previous video, but they are the Love 100 in gold. They are absolutely stunning. And I love these shoes because they're a classic shape. They will last me as long as I take good care of them. I don't know what that entails, but they'll last a very long time and they are timeless. What I like about these shoes is the way the heel kind of sits, not quite on the back of the shoe, but kind of inwards a little bit. It reminds me of the shoes, it reminds me of the shoes that Lucille Ball and Jackie Onassis used to wear. They're very dainty, extremely feminine, and just a very classic cut. It has a nice pointed toe, which is always going to be in style. It's just a beautifully made shoe. The lining is leather, the sole is leather. It has a stiletto heel. This heel is 3.9 inches, which is my max is 4 inches for me. Like I cannot go over 4 inches. I can't walk in anything over 4 inches anymore. So this is very, very comfortable. I knew it was under 4 inches a little bit when I put them on and I walked in the store because they were very comfortable and I loved them immediately. I put them on and they just kind of fit like a glove and I was like, oof. These feel good. I was in the store with my god sister, Ronnie, and I put them on and then we're like, oh, these feel good. And she was like, you should get them, you should get them. So I just thought they were timeless and they'll match a lot of my outfits. They're very dressy, or you can dress these down if you like a pair of jeans, a gold tank top, or if you just want to wear a black on black outfit, or you can wear these at church, you can wear these to work. Wherever you like to wear these, they would be a perfect accessory to your outfit. So the second pair of shoes are also the Love 100s as well. Look at this. This is something that every woman needs in their wardrobe, especially if you're a woman that goes to church quite often, or if you're in corporate America where you wear heels a lot. This is a very, very classic navy blue. It's a navy blue croc embossed. I don't know if you can see the croc detail here on it, but it's, if you wear heels, if you wear heels, you know how difficult it is to find a true navy blue shoe. So I was very, very pleased when I found these shoes. Like I will wear these probably the most of the 3. You can probably substitute these for a black if you like, because I put them on with a pair of jeans and they look really dark when you have them on with navy blue, because it's a really dark blue. But again, it has that beautiful heel that's not sitting right on the back of the shoe. This shoe is also leather on the inside and a leather bottom. It just fits like a glove. Now these shoes are very true to size. I tried on 38.5, I wear 8.5 and 39. Actually, they both fit because my right foot is bigger than my left foot. But the 38.5, which would be an 8.5 in the US size, fit perfectly, like really snug. The 39 was a tad bit loose, but I could still wear that. But they're very, very true to size and they just fit like a glove. So if you've seen me a lot, you've seen me wear these a lot. These shoes I purchased from Zara and I actually love these, but when I brought the Choo's home and I compared the two, these are black and these are blue. I noticed then that the Zara shoes aren't leather on the inside. It looks like leather, but it's really not leather, but they're still very comfortable. And the bottom of the shoe is a very shiny, I guess, hard plastic where you can see the obvious difference in these. This is a really nice leather. I'll see if I, no, don't be said, don't come up close to the.
Get out of the way.
Okay, this is obviously leather, and you can tell that this is obviously not. These shoes are made in Italy, so the quality and the craftsmanship is going to be everything. And because they're leather uppers and soles, they're gonna last you substantially longer than these from Zara wear. But I still love these, but when I put these on, I instantly knew that the craftsmanship and the quality of this was really, really high. And I was very, very pleased from the onset. But again, I got this blue because blue is difficult to find. And I know this will go with a lot of things in my wardrobe: skirts, dresses, pantsuits, what have you. And I will probably wear these with jeans and a tank top or a t-shirt in the summertime and just look fabulous, of course, but yes. So this is the last pair. And I purchased these because I fell in love with them. Look at this. It's so feminine and dainty, and it's just beautiful. It's elegant. It has the Swarovski crystals here on the buckle. It has that beautiful detail on the heel here where it's thin and it goes out a little bit. And this heel also does not sit straight on the back. So this is just absolutely stunning. And I normally wouldn't go for a rose gold. I actually have one other pair that I guess I do. I have two pairs already. But I fell in love with this shoe. It just says lady, it says dainty, it's elegant. And I feel I'll get a lot of wear from this. Like in the summertime, this is a perfect wedding shoe for you to wear to someone's wedding or a date night or evening out during the summer. I do have a purse that'll look really, really cute with this. They did have a purse that matched this on the website, but I really didn't like the purse, but I fell in love with these shoes. They fit very well. This band here fits really snug up against your foot and it keeps your foot from sliding too much, but it's very, very well made. This has leather inner and a leather sole as well. Like the other shoe, this is just beautiful. There's nothing I didn't like about it. I just fell in love with it. This is gonna be beautiful with a white dress in the summertime or even some really dressy shorts and a very feminine lace or embroidered type shirt. This is just beautiful. So I just really could not pass this up. And I purchased all of these because I went into the store and there was a 50% off sale. And there's still a 50% off sale on the website. You should go take a look at the website. I'll put a link in the description box below. But these particular shoes are no longer available on the website. Now, you may be able to find them on different websites, but when I went to go look at Jimmy Choo this morning, they were not listed. I think this particular style might have been last year's style or what have you, but I don't care. I love the shoe and it was half off. So I got actually all three of these on sale for half off. That's a great deal if you're looking to invest in a quality high-end piece and you can catch them on sale. That's a great time to go ahead and purchase that piece. Rather than purchasing it at full price, get you a 50% off discount. You cannot beat that. If you're gonna buy the shoe and it's half off, you cannot beat 50%. Oh, I already said that, huh? You just cannot beat it. So that's why I purchased these. These are also 3.9 inches high, which is really comfortable for me, but this is just a perfect pair of shoes, and that's why I purchased them. Well, that's it, family. I hope you enjoyed this video, this unboxing of these amazing shoes. Again, I recommend that you go onto the website. I'll put a link in the description box below to the website and see if you can find some deals there. They're still having that 50% off sale on a lot of the styles, and some of the Love 100s are on sale for 50% off as well. They are amazing. If you're wondering what should I spend or should I invest in this shoe, if you can afford it, I say yes, you should. Again, thank you so much for spending some of your time with me. Have a blessed, blessed day.